Come in.
Alright.
Mine. This is my Lego museum. As you can see, this is the Triceratops trapper. He's tranquilizing the Triceratops so he doesn't like go nuts and stuff like that. And as you see, the pilot is doing the same thing. He already got shot with the net, so he is defenseless because the net is holding him down while he tranquilizes him. And this is sorry. This is the Coelophysis ambush. As you can see, he's chasing him. And this is the raptor chase set. Little satellite stuff right there. And this is the truck, I don't know, the off-roader or something like that. And as you can see, there's a squirming raptor. He's really mad. He fell for the trick and stuff like that. So, this is the RV Lego, something like that. And the man just came from a bike ride in the woods, so he didn't have enough time to put it on the